So hi guys, Birthday here today. I'm gonna show you Tornado in the Joy was complete. In the YouTube said you need to need a little bit. Okay. That's it. Okay. Oops. I didn't read that. Okay. So if you split it yourself, tornado. Okay, I will put it right here and there. You will see the tornado. You can't see it. You can't see it. Look. Okay. Oh my god, not again. Oh. Okay, like, subscribe to the channel. Oh. It looks like a little bit. I need more of that because it's too low. Okay, like and subscribe on my channel. Bye.